£1 million a year in the UK is a huge sum. So let's dive into the financial breakdown of what you would take home after taxes. First off, the total gross salary, it's a jaw-dropping £1 million. Now let's dissect the impressive sum. The initial £12,570 is your personal allowance. It's like finding a treasure chest with no strings attached. After subtracting the personal allowance, we're left with £987,430 as taxable income. Now hold on to your seat, because here comes the tax man. Firstly, income tax swoops in with its demands. For that £1 million salary, income tax takes a hefty chunk, coming in at a staggering £464,062.50. That's quite a big bite out of your earnings. Secondly, national insurance contributions like to make an appearance. With a salary like this, national insurance demands £57,848.48. Now, once we've settled the taxes and contributions, the yearly take-home pay stands at £477,588. Now, that's still a sizable sum, but taxation does have its say. On a monthly basis, your take-home pay dances around £39,799. Now, that's what I call financial firepower. What UK salary do you want me to do next?